Good morning. Today we will start chapter 4 fraction. In this chapter we learn compare and order unlike fraction, add and subtract fraction. First I will explain you what is fraction. Fraction are the part of a reason or a collection. It is a part of a collection. Numerator and denominator. We write as numerator and denominator. Part being referred as a numerator and parts in all as a denominator. For example, 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 5. In this, 2 is a numerator and 3 is a denominator. Now I will explain you comparing or ordering of a like fraction. Like fraction means have the same denominator. Same denominator. Here example 1 upon 5 and 2 upon 5. Both the number having same denominator. Which number is greater? 2 upon 5 is greater. Easily we can find out. If the fraction with the same numerator, if a numerator is the same like 3, 4, 3, all the numerator and denominator are 4, 7, 9. In this, the smallest denominator is largest fraction. Here look here, denominator 4 is a smallest, but this fraction 3 upon 4 is a largest fraction. Let's continue unlike fraction with different numerator. These fractions are unlike because they have the different denominator. To compare them, we have to make their denominator same. How we find out? First we find out the LCM of the denominator numbers. 5, 2, 8. With a 2, we divide all the number. 5 we cannot divide 5 as it is. Then 1, 4, again 2, 5, 1, 2, again 2, 5, 1, 1, then 5, 1, 1, 1. We have to divide till the last one. Now we all the prime number we multiply. 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. 40 is a denominator. Now how we find out all the number? 5 upon 7. We have to make the denominator same. Then we multiply the number. Then become denominator is 40. 5 into 8 is equal to 40. 5, when we are multiplying with the denominator, then we multiply the numerator also with a 8. Then 56. Same here, next number 5 upon 2, we multiply with 20, then 40 into 20, 100. 1 upon 8, we multiply by 5, then numerator also we will multiply 5, then 5 upon 80. Now all the denominator are same. Now we can compare which is smallest number and which is largest number. 5 upon 40 we got from the number 1 upon 8. It means 1 upon 8 is the smallest number. Then 7 upon 5. Then 5 upon 2. This way we can compare the number. Let's continue addition of like fraction. If addition is given for a like fraction means same denominator, then we write one time denominator. For example, 3 upon 8 plus 1 upon 8 is equal to 8 we will write. Then 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 upon 8. We can divide both the number. Then 2, then we got the answer 2 upon 4. Further we can divide 2 and 4 with a 2. Then answer is 1 upon 2. Now subtraction of a like fraction. Here in this denominator are same. Then 8, 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 upon 8 divided by 2 is equal to 1 upon 4. This way we can find the answer for a like fraction. Now we will continue the addition of a unlike fraction. Unlike fraction means denominator are different. In this example, 3 upon 4 plus 2 upon 3. The denominator 4 and 3 we can find out the LCM. But they are co-prime number, not other than 1 as a factor. Then we directly multiply 4 into 3 is equal to 12. Then 12. Now for this we cross multiply this way. We will write the numerator 3 3s are 9 and 4 2 4s are 8 plus 17 upon 12. This number we cannot divide. Now another example 7 upon 18 plus 5 upon 15. In this denominator are different 18 and 15. We first find out the LCM with the 3. I have explained previous video how to find out the LCM. Then this way 90. Now denominator we want to make denominator same. 17 upon 18 table we read up to 5. Then 90. Then 5 with the 5 we multiply numerator. Then 35. Same way 2 upon 15. 15 6 times is equal to 19. Then multiply 6 with the numerator 12. 35 plus 12. Denominator 90 is equal to 47 upon 90. This way you can do the addition of fraction. Now subtraction of a unlike fraction. Here also different denominator. Then denominator is a co-prime number. Co-prime number means we directly multiply the 15. Then 2 5s are 10. Then 1 3s are 3 minus 7 upon 15. This is the answer. Now mixed fraction into improper fraction. How you will convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction? 2 upon 3 is equal to 2 into 3 means we have to multiply this 2 with a denominator. 2 3s are 6 and this numerator plus 2 3s are 6 plus 2 8. Then denominator is a 3. For improper fraction 8 upon 3. Now continue multiplication of fraction. When we multiply the fraction, whether the fraction are like or unlike fraction, we have to do the same thing. In this, no any other method. Case in multiplication of fraction is same. We have to multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. If whole number is given and one fraction is given, then we have to multiply numerator with a whole number and denominator as it is. And if the number is we can reduce in lowest term, then first we reduce the number in the lowest term. For example, multiply 21 by 3. In this whole number we can write as a fraction also. 21 upon 1, multiply 3 upon 7. 7 one time, then 21, 7 3 times. Then 3 into 3, 1 into 1, 9 upon 1. When you divide, you will get the answer as a 9. Then multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse we can call as reciprocal. It shows, for example, 2 upon 3, that number, that fraction we write inverse 3 upon 2. This way. This we use in a division of a fraction. Now here division of a fraction. Example 3 upon 5 divided by 9. For that we write the number, whole number as a fraction, 3 upon 5 divided by 9 upon 1. Now we write here, when we do the division of fraction, then next number we reciprocal. 3 upon 5 into 1 upon 9. Then cancel 3 one time, 3 3s are. Then 1 into 1, 5 into 3, it means 1 upon 15. This way we can do the division. Now another example, if both fraction are given, for example 2 upon 9 divided by 6 upon 18, then we write inverse form the next fraction 2 upon 9 as it is, then inverse 18 upon 6. Now we cancel 2 with a 1, here 6 by 3, here 9, 1, then 18, 2 times. Then 1 into 2, 1 into 3. It means 2 upon 3 is the answer. This way you can solve the problem.